Welcome. If you wonder how to get the notification settings in your Xiaomi Mi 10, you have to enter the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to enter the notifications, and as we can see here we have the couple of options. For example, the notifications on the lock screen, so we can change the format. We can hide content. We can permanently turn off the notifications from the lock screen. We can also adjust every application on our lock screen. So for example, if you don't want to get any notifications on your lock screen from Facebook, you have to use these markers. And the next one is floating notifications. We have also the notification badges, and there is notification shade. You can choose between the MUI and the Android. And also here you can permanently turn off all of the notifications for every applications available on this list. Thanks for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.